Hi everyone, and welcome to another YouTube tutorial. This one is going to be very similar in retrospect to my last one in the fact that it's going to be Hogwarts related. This one being a vivid Hufflepuff eye. You can tell again, I'm a Hufflepuff. So that's why I like to do Hufflepuff eyes. So I'm just going to dive right in. We're using the same brushes and same technique as last time, just a little bit different on the pigment. The main difference, I'm going to be using my 18 Hit Wonders palette by e.l.f. The yellow Solar, right there. And then I have another palette, because we're missing a few colors in that 18 Hit Wonders palette. My Summer Breeze Mad for Matte palette. It's the exact same one that I used last time, except we're not going to be using this yellow. We're just going to be using the brown and the black. That's all we need from this palette. So, to start off, sorry, I'm dealing with allergies right now. I'm getting a little bit better, so bear with me on that. Start off, we got our C brush. Actually, I'm gonna pin my hair out of the way first. Ta-da! Alright. So, in your Matte for Matte Summer Breeze palette, take your C brush. It's a little one that I ordered on Amazon. Doesn't really have a name. I just call it a C brush. Take your brown, swirl around in there, tap off your excess, put it on right there in the corner. Well, not in the corner, but all over your crease. I'm going to turn so you guys can see what I'm doing. Kind of just patting it on there, not rubbing it, because I feel like it makes a mess if you just rub it. So you just pat it on in there. And then take your excess, a little bit more, you have a little bit more left on your brush, right in there under your bottom lash, your lower lash line. That one you can kind of rub in there because you're going smoky. You're just smoking it out. I don't know what I did. It's getting all in my eye. Making my eyes water. No, doesn't look as good as my last one. Sorry, guys. Same with the other eye. Just take it in there. Tap off some excess. Again, don't rub it in. Pat it on. So if you rub it, it feels like it can just get too out of control too quickly. And then lower lash line. I got that one more than I got this one, so I'm just going to hit it again. Just like so. Farrah 35E brush. I love this one. It's really good for blending. Just go on in, blend out your lines. In the crease and lower lash line. You can kind of see the difference. Same with the other eye. Go on in, blend out your line. And the lower lash. my brush all in this eye. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Probably nothing. It's just being irritated. Alright. Switching palettes. So this other mermaid brush, not your sea brush. Just, you can kind of see the difference in there. Go on in with your 18 Hit Wonders palette. Pick up some of this solar yellow. Tap off your excess. It's got a lot of fallout in this one, which I don't like, but I love the vivids of this palette. It doesn't have a mirror. That's why we got this one handy. So just tap it on in there. So you can see the difference in that one versus the yellow that I used last time. You can see this one all the way from back where I'm sitting. Where the other yellow, you had to be like way up here just to tell that it was yellow. Otherwise, you could just see that looked kind of weird. Not weird. I mean, I liked it. It was really good. It just, you can see this all the way from where I'm sitting versus where that one, it's just, yeah. Go on in, pick up some more, tap off your excess, repeat on the other eye, and turn it over here, got more light. Ooh, you can see it on there. Yeah, that looks good. What y'all think? Alright, we're done with that palette because that's the only color we needed from this one. Switch palettes to this Summer Breeze palette. You can use the same brush that you use with the yellow. Just grab a towel, swirl off a bunch of excess pigment. There's a bunch of other people I know, just grab a pair of sweatpants and then brush it on there when they're getting ready in the morning, all the same. Pick up just a little bit of black. Tap off just a little bit. Put it on just right in the outer corner. Same with the other eye. There we go. Oh, excuse me. Alright, you guys can see that pretty well. Alright, so we're switching back to the Farrah 35E brush. We're essentially done with this palette. We're just blending now. That has a mirror. Got another one. Just blend out your black into the yellow. Just in this outer corner though. Because if you go too far, you won't get that dimensional look that everyone wants with these Hufflepuff eyes. A little bit more right in there. Now it looks pretty good. Oh, we're not done. Alright, so I got my e.l.f. eyeshadow blending brush. And then I'm going to take, where did it go? There it is. Just got a little baked highlight from e.l.f. Again, I got a bunch of e.l.f. Pick up some of that. I'm not going to tap it off because we want to define right under these brows. Just tap that on so you can see the difference a little bit. It's kind of dark over here. I really need to get better lighting. Oh well, we'll make it work. Go back in, pick up some more. I'm going to do the same with the other brow. That looks pretty good. Alright, and if you got a little bit on your brows, like I might have, then you can take one of these little spoolie brushes right there and just lightly brush off. Alright, that looks pretty good. So I haven't found a bright yellow shimmer that I really like. Otherwise, I'd put a little bit on the yellow. So I'm just going to use this. And we're going to put that right on the inner corner, just right here. And if you add some highlight in there, it makes your eyes pop a little bit more. And so I really need that. I got sunken eyes. Not everybody has the same face shape, same eye structure. So I do my eyes a little bit differently than someone else would do their eyes. Go in, pick up some more. Hit the other eye, the other side. So see, I kind of pat right in here and then go out just a little bit on the crease. Alright, that looks pretty good. Not gonna go in with eyeliner. I had a tough time doing that last time, and I'm not brave enough to try it this time. Maybe if I were Gryffindor, I'd try it. But I'm not going to do it this time. What else was I going to do? Mascara. Got the same one that I used last time. The waterproof length and volume mascara from e.l.f. So whenever you put on mascara, don't go straight out. Go kind of back and forth in zigzag motion. It just puts a little bit more mascara on your lashes, gets you that length and that volume that you want. And it feels like it doesn't take as long either. Except for me, because I'm a perfectionist. Same with the other side. And not ambidextrous naturally. I just learned to apply mascara with my left hand because It just looks weird if I do it with my right hand. Alright, good on the top. Go back in with the bottom. Alright, that one's pretty good. Go in on this side. Sorry if I'm looking at the camera weird. I just like looking at myself. So pretty. Alright, I think we're good. Alright, just gonna let you guys check these out. And that on down. This side up. There we go. Gotta get ready for the day. What y'all think? Alright, so that's pretty much it for Vivid Hufflepuff Eyes. If there's anything, well, if you liked what you saw, don't forget to subscribe. And if there's something that you want to see, go ahead and reply down below. I'll put a link to all the products and everything that I used in the description. Slay beautifully.